Hi, this is King of Review. Alex throws a ball directly upward. If this action is shown by formula y equals negative 16x squared plus 40x plus 38, what is the maximum it reaches in feet? So the ball will follow a path that looks something like this. This is a parabola. Parabolas have something called an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line passing through the turning point of the graph. Parabolas also have a point here. This is called a vertex. Notice that the axis of symmetry passes through the vertex. Now, if we were to plot this parabola on a coordinate plane, we have our x-axis and our y-axis. The y-axis represents the height of the ball, and the x-axis could represent time. What is the uppermost point of this parabola? Well, that's right here at the vertex. The vertex is the uppermost point or the maximum of this parabola. So the vertex, if you look at its y-coordinate, the y-coordinate would represent the maximum height that the ball reaches. And the x-coordinate here, this would represent the time at which the ball reaches its maximum height. So if we can find the coordinates for the vertex, specifically the y-coordinate, then we will be able to find the maximum height of the ball. How do we do this? Well, if we have an equation that's in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, then we know that the axis of symmetry has the following formula. X equals negative b over 2a, where the a and b values come from these coefficients. Now remember, the axis of symmetry passes through the vertex. So this x value that we get for the axis of symmetry is also the x-coordinate of the vertex. So let's look at our equation. Y equals negative 16x squared plus 40x plus 38. This equation is in this format. So a equals negative 16, b equals 40, and c equals 38. So the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. We have negative 40 divided by 2 times negative 16. This is negative 40 over negative 32, and this equals 1.25. So 1.25 is the x-coordinate of our vertex, and that represents the time at which the ball reaches its maximum height. Now we need to find the y-coordinate. So we will plug in 1.25 into our equation. So f of 1.25 equals negative 16 times 1.25 squared plus 40 times 1.25 plus 38, and this equals 63. So 63 is the y-coordinate of the vertex, and it represents the maximum height that the ball reaches. Letter C is correct. Thanks for watching.